HUAWEI Pura80 Ultra and Mate 80% Ultra are set to be quite impressive. Everything suggests that HUAWEI is indicating its return to extreme optical zoom with the Pura 80% Ultra. Leaks from digital chat stations suggest that this model might be equipped with a 50-megapixel sensor featuring a periscope camera capable of up to 10x optical zoom. This far exceeds the 3.5x capability of the previous series. Of course, keep in mind that the leak is not the same as a presentation. However, this is news that suggests a significant advancement in the style reminiscent of what we have seen in the past. For instance, it may carry forward the legacy of the P40 Pro Plus, which, back in 2020, was one of the pioneering devices to offer such an advanced level of optical zoom. Moreover, the Mate 80 series is expected to feature an active cooling system, which means it will have an internal fan. Though in this instance, it is unclear exactly where it would be positioned or any additional details, but when combined with the vapor chamber and copper ducts, it would dissipate heat remarkably well. Yes, we already see this in Red Magic devices, but here, the novelty lies in the fact that, based on the latest leaks, the HUAWEI Mate 80 would also feature IP68 and IP69 ratings, even with a fan included. Therefore, these forthcoming high-end devices from HUAWEI are certainly anticipated to be among the very best that the company has to offer. Tell me, what excites you more? Is it the 10 times optical zoom camera, or is it perhaps a fan that cools the processor while still maintaining water resistance? Let me know.